Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix emails not receiving in Hostinger. So as you can see here, I have this option that I cannot receive emails. So what you need to do here is simply you need to go to Hostinger H panel, then you need to go to emails, then select your email here, and then press manage. And then here you need to look for look for connect domain. And then you should see expected records. For me and my domain, as you can see, there is no records. So what you need to do here, you need to go open new window, go to domains, select your, let me show you, go to domain portfolio, select the domain, go to name servers, and then you need to add MX name servers. So first type MX. So you need to put MX, then name should be blank or ETA, and then mail server should be mx1hostinger.com. In your records also, you can find it. Priority should be 5 and TLL 14,400. Add it. Then do the same again. MX mail server, but this time should be mx2hostinger.com, like here. And then priority should be 10. And after you do so, we can refresh, check status again, and now we can get emails, right? And then you can try it and it should work. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.